Hi everyone. This week the 5 to 12-year-olds will find in their Craft and Go kit the supplies to make this really pretty colorful holiday ornament that's perfect to make and give as a gift to a friend or family member, or you can make it and just keep it for yourself. So let me show you what you will receive in your Craft and Go kit and how to make this craft. You will find in your craft kit some plaid paper, a snowflake made from a recycled bookmark, a mason jar lid. You also find some string. It might be a different color than this, but there will definitely be some string, some very sparkly red glitter, and a paintbrush. What you will need to provide is something to put your glitter on, and you'll also need to provide some Mod Podge or glue that's been thinned down with a little bit of water, a pencil or a pen, and a pair of scissors. All right, so let's get started and make our craft. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your plaid paper and turn it over so the white side is facing up. Take your lid, place it on the paper, and using your pencil or your pen, trace around the lid. And take your scissors and cut that circle out. So now we have our circle. Just set our paper aside, and you can use that for other crafts if you want. So now we have the plaid side that we want facing up, and we have our mason jar lid. So take your paintbrush and dip it into your glue or your Mod Podge, and then you're going to put that into the lid, just like that. Take your paper and press it down on the inside of the lid. Smooth it out with your thumb and dip your paintbrush into the glue and go over the paper with the glue or Mod Podge just to make sure that it sticks really well to the lid. There you go. Just like that. Now the next thing we're going to do is take our snowflake, and if your snowflake has color on the back, you can choose what you want to do. I am going to have mine so that the white side's facing out. This one has kind of a Halloween pattern on the back, and so I'm going to go ahead and choose the white side that's facing up and put that in the center of my lid as best as I can, and then once again go over it with some glue just to tack everything down. And this does dry clear. Just like that. All right, so our next step, set that aside, is to take your paper plate container of glitter and pour it onto whatever container you're using to hold your glitter. And once again, take your lid and put some glue or Mod Podge around the rim of your lid. You might remember doing this from the LED candle holder that we did, I think it was a couple weeks ago. We were doing the same thing. So I have plenty of glue, and just like you're making cookies, you know how you press the cookie cutter into your dough, you're going to do that into your glitter. Get it all the way around the rim. And then you set that aside to dry, because right now it's very wet, and if you handle it, the glitter of course is going to fall off. Because of the video and time constraints, I'm going to go ahead and put my string on now, but I do suggest that you go ahead and set yours aside to dry for a little bit before you put the string on. But let me show you how to put the string on. So once it's dry, you take your glue and put it around the outside, all the way around. And see, this is where you want it to be dry, because you do have to put your fingers into the middle, and the glitter has a tendency to fall off. Then you take your string, fold it in half so you have a loop, and you're going to place that around the outside of your lid, and then pull it a little tight, just like that. And then go over the string again with some glue, just to make sure it's nice and stuck to the outside of your lid. And then just tie a little knot. You can hang it up. Isn't that pretty? So there you go. There is your snowflake craft. All right, my friends, here is today's finished project. I really like the way it turned out. It's so sparkly and shiny, and it will make a really nice gift to give to somebody or to keep for yourself. And the inspiration for our craft today is the book, The Polar Express. And you might have already read this book or have had the book read to you. And this book talks about the first gift of Christmas, and your craft might be a gift for someone this holiday season. So that was the inspiration for today's craft. Now this book that we have in our collection actually has a CD on the inside, so you can listen to the book as you read it as well, which is a nice addition to the story. And it's the complete unabridged version of the story, so you listen to it and read at the same time. We also have the Polar Express that does not have the CD, and both of these books can be checked out using our Library to Go program. All right, my friends, that is all for today. I hope to see you on Wednesday between 3 and 4 with the 5 to 12-year-olds Craft and Go program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.